Bismillah. Hello everybody, welcome to Mr. GFX. Today we are going to speak about how to create a level design in Unreal Engine from A to Z. So now today we are going to use Titan project, Titan assets from Epic. You can download it from here. Titan from this area. Okay, and you can create your project here, but it's 60 gigabyte. So after you download it, I will use this asset at my project. So from here, from file we can create new level. After that we can create props from here. So this is empty level. What we are going to do now, we need to remove all of them, and we will start from 0, just slender. Okay, after that we will insert our assets here. So I love to start from mesh. Okay, so now we can use this one. Okay, this one. Okay, this asset, search this one. Okay, insert it here. Okay, we can scale it a little bit. Okay, after that I will move it a little bit. Okay, so I will make like a river here in this area. So maybe we can make this one beside two mountain, and we can rotate it a little bit to make a variation. After that maybe we can take it a little bit in this area. Okay, so I will use this camera to be one. So now this is our background. Okay, maybe we can move it a little bit here in the center of our scene. Okay, so after that maybe we can insert our so save our level file, save all, and level 2, for example level 02. Okay, so in this area we will insert our plan here, shape. Okay, normal plan, scale it a little bit. Okay, maybe 1000. Okay, I will put it here in this area. So I will insert water material in this area. From here, water. Okay, okay, so this is our water material. After that I will insert a little bit rock in this area. Okay. So we can come to this content, search about any kind of rock, for example this one. Oh, okay, the same one. This one. So this one. Okay, scale it a little bit, 0.3, and I will put it here, and I will insert on it increase camera to be 3. Okay, so scale here. Okay, maybe we can move this one to be here and this one to be in this area, and duplicate it. Alt from keyboard, scale it a little bit, insert it here to be here. Select all of them, increase it. Okay, and we can take another one here, put it to make variation between all of them. Maybe we can put it here, duplicate it again, rotate, so we can insert. So I like to make these shapes to make a nice variation. Okay, after that I will insert here some of or maybe we can make like that. Okay, so now we can insert our building here. Okay, so after that maybe I like to insert post process at the beginning of our project. Here choose infinite, so select all of them, all infinite, extend, make sure, and we can insert, come here to exposure, make from here, sorry, maximum and the minimum, it will be mini and max 1 and 1. Okay, I don't like to use any light here. Okay, this one, remove it. So now we don't have any light, so insert HDR light, HDR backdrop here. Okay, after that remove it a little bit. So if you don't have HDR light, you can come from edit and plugin. After that we can choose HDR and enable it and restart Unreal Engine. So this is very important part. Select it and scale HDR to be size 1000. Okay, now we have nice, okay, nice shape. Okay, so now I'm going to insert our tree and building and some of them to make a nice area. Okay, maybe we can duplicate this one if you want to scale it a little bit. Okay, so this is our level here, and we can insert some trees and something like that. Okay, so we can insert any type of tree here from this area. Okay, maybe we can design our this area. Sorry, insert any boat, for example, here. Boat. So maybe we can add this one. No. Okay. Here. What? Okay. So maybe we can insert another one. Maybe this one. Okay. We can add any animation for it later. Okay, so this is our camera. To save your camera, control number 1. Okay, control 1 from keyboard. So if you move your camera like that and press 1, it will appear. So for example, if you choose this camera, control number 2. So if you move your camera and press 2, 1 and 2, 1 and 2. Okay, very important part. Okay, we can duplicate this one again. Come here and put it here in this area. Okay, here, move it a little bit, put it here. So 1 from keyboard. This is our main camera, this area. control 1. So this is our camera. So after that, I'm going to add some. Okay, from here maybe we can add any stair like that here to put it this bridge in this area to be between this area. Okay, here. So after that, maybe we can add any something like that here. To be, this is intro of our place here. We can put it here in this area. Okay, nice. So after that, maybe we can add a stair to arrive to this area. Okay, a stair here, this area. Okay, so maybe we can put it here. After that, maybe we can add the rock in this area or something like that. Okay, put it here, rotate, and we can rotate this one to be in the front of our stair here. Remove it, put it here. So nice. Okay, so after that, maybe we can add like tower or something here in this area. Tower maybe. Or we can write tower, 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 tower. Don't forget to save your work all time. It is very, very important. Okay, tower. Okay, we can insert this tower here in this area. Move it a little bit. Scale it. Okay, here. But if you look here, our water, we can put it a little bit. But if you look for this color, we need to make it a little bit high. Okay, select all of them and come to this area, put it here, so we can select it again. So now we are in the right way. Put this one here in this area. Scale it here. Press 1 from keyboard to see our camera. Nice. We can rotate it a little bit. So now we can insert any building here in this area. I think we need to take this stair and put it here, another one in this area. And we can play with light, very, very important, but after we finished our project. Okay, so now in this area. Okay, so now we have to stair, so maybe we can take this one again, put it here, rotate a little bit, insert it in front of our stair. Okay, so now we have this one. So I think we can add some of trees here. So maybe we can choose any one, any tree, for example this one. Okay, we can put it here in this area. Okay, sorry, take this one here, and we can put it here in this area. Look, here in the end of our river, we can scale it a little bit. After that we can duplicate it, alt, scale it down, make rotation to make variation. Okay, so now this area, scale, put it here, rotate. So maybe we can take another one, put it here in the back, scale, high scale, but we can put it in the back of our rock here. So now if you look here in this area, after we add light, it will be so nice. So maybe we can take it a little bit here, put it here, the back, make rotation, and maybe we can move it, rotate it a little bit, come here, scale down. So now this is our shot here. Okay, nice. We can add more details here. So I think maybe we can add, for example, if we can add any building, any kind of building, or any house, small house in this area, for example. Okay, so we can add any house, content house. So I think maybe we can add this one. Okay, here, rotate, nice. So we can rotate it a little bit. We can add some grass here in this area. Okay, so now I think we can add a little bit wood here. Okay, right, this one. Okay, here in this area we can take this one, add it here, in the front of this area. And we can add someone else here. After that, I think maybe we can add another one here. I think we can scale it a little bit. Put it here. So we can take this one and put it here. rotation. Put this one in this area. Okay, nice. So we can, if we press 1, we can see this one. Okay, so we can increase all details here. So maybe we can add another house, okay, like that here. So we have a lot of assets. We can add anyone. For example, this one, we can add it here. We can put it in this area, rotate and take it here. So in this area, scale, so we can put it in this area. Okay, doesn't matter to be. We can move this rock a little bit. So now in this area, but our camera is our camera. The building is not appear. Okay, I hope to move this one like a little bit, and this is there. When we come to this camera, this house, it must be appear. Okay, so we can move all of them. We can take this one a little bit here. Okay, here, and we can move this boot. Okay, so now nice. So after that, I think we can put it. This is our camera. Our camera here. Control 1. Okay, so maybe we can add another tree here. Scale it, scale. Put it here in this area. Okay. And another one in this area. Scale. Okay, so okay, so now we can add more details, for example grass here, or any. I think we have a wheel here, wheel. Okay, wheel. This one, okay, we can add it here. Scale, can put it here in this area. Scale. And maybe we can make it like rotating, or and we can add piece of wood here. Okay, so we can take this one, scale this one to put bridge in the right area, and put this one here. Scale, come here again, put it here. Okay, so now delete and put it again here. Okay. Rotate it a little bit to make variation all time. So now, okay, so we can put it a little bit. Okay, must appear, look here, must appear like that. So after that maybe we can take another one and make rotation, and we can put it here in this area, in this wheel. Okay, we can put it here, scale it. Okay, so now we can rotate it, all of them, this one and this one, put it here. Okay, so now we can animate it, okay, to make nice animation. I think maybe we can add some grass in this area. Okay, so maybe we can take this one. We can add some of light in this area. So here, this light. Why we can add this light here? Because if you want to make night shot, it will be amazing. Okay, so okay, for example, if we remove this one and go to HDR backdrop and decrease light, for example, we don't have any kind of light, so if you look here we can play with our light, okay, like that. So HDR light, maybe we can put it like 0.2. Look, we can add our light here. Okay, so in this area maybe we can add another one here. Here, another one here. And maybe we can add another one here. Okay, so again we can add here in this area, put it. Scale it a little bit. Look, so maybe we can add another one in this area here. Look, so I think we can increase light 0.3 and come here. So post process, it is very important part to play with light. So here, take this area and this one, rotate it a little bit. Okay, so maybe we can take this one here. Sorry. So in this area. So now if we make drop here to be 0.1, look. But our light, we can go to post process. After that we can go to exposure, local exposure. After that we can look, so we can put it a little bit, and shadow, look. After that detail strands, okay, we can put like that, but maybe we can increase it a little bit. So fog, we have fog here, so I think maybe we delete this one and add another fog. So from this area we can choose fog intensity. Okay, project setting. Okay, so fog, local fog volume apply, تمام. Okay, so now we can increase it a little bit. Post process. 0.5. Now okay, take this look, and this light maybe we can 0.05. Okay, 0.1. Okay, can take this one. So if you add light here, I think it will be nice. Take this one and put it here. Camera 0.1. And put another one here. Look. Okay. So from this area we can put here inside this area. Okay. And another one in this area. Okay. Can hide it. Hide, but we can see the here. Okay, so maybe we can add hidden light like here, spotlight. Go to this area, rotate it a little bit. Increase, okay. After that, so we can add hidden light in this area, like here. Look here in this area, we can add light. in this area. Look. Maybe we can add another one. It's a bit it. Okay, so now if you look here, I think maybe we can add another detail. For example, maybe we can add table here. Okay. Scale it a little bit. Nice. And maybe we can add any box of any wood or something like that. Okay. Here. Okay. Scale and what it. So, but we can add any light here in this area to appear these details. Okay, because I can't see, so maybe we can look here. Nice. Maybe we can add another one here. Look. So now, nice. So I think maybe 0.05, and we can increase light with post process. Post process. Max bright to 0. Okay, 0.05, 0.03, okay, 0.02. We can add here this area grass, for example, foliage, and we can add any grass. Maybe this one. Look. Okay. We can add sunflower. Any mesh. Static mesh. So I think we can use this lamp. It will be so nice. Okay, we can add any kind of grass. flower. Something like that. Maybe we can add them here. Drag and drop in this area, in this area. So we have two kind of floor here. So now we can start to draw here, but we can make variation with the scale density to be 100. Okay, scale to be 0.5 and 1. Okay, we can put okay. Uniform free. We can put it's sorry. We can put some floor here in this area. In this area. No. Intensity maybe 0.20. Okay. So you can play with. We can add a little bit detail here in this area. Maybe skull or something like that. So I like to add some assets here in this area, like that. So selection, scale. Okay, and maybe another color like that, and rotate it a little bit. So maybe we can add okay. Okay, so we can take this one. What is here? Here, and we can put nice stylized tree or something like that. For example, we can add nice tree or mushroom or something like mushroom from where foliage. Okay, mushroom. We can add a nice mushroom here from those. This one I like it so much, really. Okay, so maybe we can increase it a little bit and put it here, and we can put it here in this area. Okay, so we can put this one here, and look, without this one. Okay, so scale it a little bit. Take this one and we can add another one here, rotate. So nice. We can take another one with another style. Maybe we can take this one. Okay. Okay, maybe we can take this one again, put it here, rotate. All time, if you duplicate your mesh, try to scale it to make rotation, variation between all mesh. Okay. Okay. Look here. Okay. So if you look here in this area, our camera, for example, it will come from this area, rotate it here. So our camera will come from this area and go ahead, and you can draw your scenario from this area. Okay, come here. So we need to add some details here in this area. Okay, maybe we can take this one, but we can scale it. Sorry, put it here. Okay, we can take another one. We can put it. No, maybe we can add different kind of mushroom. For example, this one. Okay. It will be light with light. Okay. So now from this area, if we press 1 for our keyboard, so now if you take this mushroom, I think it will be add light here, and you can use it as a light. Okay, here. Okay, so if you look here in this area, I think we can add some details here, like rocks or something like that. So rock, can go to this area and rock. We can take any stylized rock here. For example, we can take this one, for example. All time try to save your your work, because maybe if you forget to save your project, it will be a problem. Okay, so maybe we can take this one, try to scale and put it here. Okay, and we can take this one, rotate, put it here, and take it again, rotate, but look, nice. We can add another one, rotate, okay, like that. Here, make rotation. So we can take another one, scale, and put it here. Take this one, rotate, move bit, a little bit. Very, very important to add details at your game. Okay, so now I think we can. You can add another one, another kind of rock, for example, this one. Okay, I think we can add this one here, but we can change the color of it later. Okay, so to break this one. Okay, so now look this area, but I think we can add a little bit some details here, grass and something like that. Okay, scale, and what another one. In this area maybe we can take another one, rotate again, and we can put it here to close this area. Okay. Nice. So I think we can add a little bit here. So now, nice. So if you play with your camera, try to look for all different area. So I think maybe we can. Okay. Try to add some rock here in this area. So now if you play with your camera, come from this area and go ahead here and come to this area, go outside. So try to add details all time, try to add details. Okay, so I'm going to add a lot of details here in this area. Maybe if you go to this asset, I think maybe we can see another table or something like that. So maybe we can put furniture in this area. Okay, here, scale, sorry, scale this one. In this area. If you have short movie, for example, you can add a table here and put your character here, meta human, for example, and you can draw your short movie. Maybe we can add another furniture. Okay, it's something like that. Okay. Look, this light, very important. Okay, you can put it in the right way to be realistic. Okay, so we can close the door of our area. Maybe we can add something else. Okay, so here maybe we can add chair here in this area. Look, chair, content. chair. Stylized chair. I love it. I love this one. Okay. Okay, we can add it. And maybe we can add one of this one. For example, if you have nice character and you make a short movie, for example, okay, look, your camera is coming from here, move your camera and come to this area, so it appear for now. Look, you can zoom. Why is this one? Good. Okay, so if your character here in this area, I think you must add light here to light your character. Okay, the light, it will come from this area to your character. Okay, if you for example meet a human or any cartoony character. Okay, maybe if you have flower or something, you can accessory here. Oh yeah. I think maybe we can look this one. I think we can add it in this area. This one. Nice. Okay, scale and put it in the right way. Look, amazing. Try to find okay, to put it here. This mushroom, maybe we can remove it from this area, but maybe just like that, and maybe something like that. Okay, but if you look here, the light is not good, but maybe we can add point light here in this area. Okay, and we can decrease it 0.5. Okay, 0.1. Okay, just this area. Okay, look, wow, the color of our the mushroom make reflection here, give us amazing reflection. So you can use another one with light. We have a lot of type of mushroom. You can use any one. With light, it make nice reflection. Okay, so if you want to add some light, this tree, it will be nice. Look here. Look, but I prefer to add this light to this area. Okay, because look, this area is dark. Okay, now okay, so if your level with night mode, try to add some light here in this area. For example, maybe we can add another type of light here. Okay, scale. We can put it, but okay, maybe delete. Okay. So now maybe we can delete this one and duplicate this one. Make group all of them. Group. Control G and take this one here. Put it so it will be appear in this area. Look for this nice boat. Okay, maybe because this anime. Okay, nice. Okay, so we can move our camera from this area. Look, if you come from this area, but stair, we need to make it a little bit like that. Okay, so now if we come from this area and come from here, so after that maybe we can move that here. This one we can put it here. Okay, so now if we you move from here and come to this area, okay, can put this one here. Okay, so again, if you want to play with your camera, come from this area. Okay, nice shot here, and after that I think we can remove this one from here. Just add it in this area. Okay, so not unbelievable. We can put it here. If you want to add stick in the middle of it, we can add it here. Okay. But okay, rotate. Okay. But I hope to add lantern in this area, so we can find any wood lantern. I think maybe we can put this one. Look, for this light of our lantern. Okay, here, scale. Okay, all time try to play with light. add amazing impression to your work. Okay, look, the light is make nice reflection, but I think just we can add it here. Scale. Okay, nice. Or you can if you can't put it here, يعني, not realistic, maybe we can add with another 2 pieces of wood, for example, something like that. Okay. And we can put it. Okay. Here, and we can remove this one. Okay, now we can add another one. Okay, so we can continue add some grass here, and we can make training with another style of level in the next video. So if you like this video, try to continue in the next video, inshallah. See you in the next video. Take care. If you have any question, you can send it in the comments. See you in the next video. Take care. Salam.